Hello guys, and welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over here to Effects and select Title and select a basic text over here and drag it onto your timeline over here. The next thing you need to do is to set the duration of your text to fit the duration of your video clip. Select your text and come over to Title here under Inspector. Select Rich Text and change the text to say whatever you want, and I'm going to increase the size of my text over here. The next thing you need to do is to select your video clip in track 1, hold down Alt and drag it above your text over here to duplicate it. Next, come over to the Fusion tab over here and hold down Ctrl plus space and search for the magic mask, select it and click on Add. Next thing you need to do is to come over here and draw a line around your subject and select the track forward then reverse button, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically begin to track your subject. Once this is done, go back to Edit and you'll find that DaVinci Resolve has automatically placed your text behind your subject.